Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial series of Zoho Tables, our easy-to-use work management software. In this video, you'll see an overview of Zoho Tables and learn how you can streamline your processes, organize and visualize work data, plan and track work, and automate repetitive tasks, all with Zoho Tables. The page that you see on my screen now is where you'll be taken to when you log into tables.zoho.com. Your profile will show the current portal you're in. Within a portal, you can create workspaces. The workspaces can be a dedicated folder for each function or department in your organization. And these tiles you see right here are bases within a function. In this demo, let's take the example of a marketing team managing their campaigns and content. Let's start with creating a base for this. To create a new base, you can either import from local or cloud storages, or choose a suitable template from our template gallery. You can also create a base from scratch. In this case, let's set up a base from scratch. Once the base is created, you can customize your base. When you create a new base, by default, you'll land in the grid view. An empty base is created with one table. You can then add as many tables as you want. In the grid view, each row is a record and each column is a field. The default table comes with some of the commonly used fields. You can customize these fields as per your requirements. You can also create new fields here by choosing a field type from the list of the ones available right here. Zoho Tables has over 20 field types, which make it easy for you to accommodate every kind of data. The highlight here is our AI fields. Once you've finalized the fields, you can start adding data to the table. You have the option to view a record as a card, comment on it, and view the log of the record. The record log shows every single activity in this record. The comment option lets you discuss every task or record in detail. You can start a conversation, mention your teammates to tag them, and add attachments here. Zoho Tables also lets you assign records directly to your team members with the collaborator field type. Once data is entered, the next step is to establish relationships between tables. If you see here, the campaign details are in a table and the content items are in a different table. To connect each content item with its corresponding campaign, you can create a link field. Now you're all set. If you click on a linked record, you'll see a record pick list which will display all the records from the linked table. You can choose the content items for each campaign. Here, the relationship is bidirectional. So, when you add the content items in this field, you can see that the campaign details are automatically displayed in the other table as well. Any changes made in a linked record will reflect in the connected tables as well. In Zoho Tables, you can view your work data the way it makes sense to you. In addition to the grid, we have 4 other views. Let's look at how our most popular view, Kanban, works. In Tables, you can create a Kanban view and configure it based on the supported field types. Now, the highlight of the Kanban view in Zoho Tables is its builder. The intuitive builder lets you customize the cards. In Kanban view, you can simply drag and drop a card to change its status. This change will also reflect in the other views. The gallery view puts a spotlight on the attachments in your records. This displays the attachments like images, documents, PDFs, etc. as large cards. The card builder in the gallery view also works similar to the Kanban card builder. You can keep track of deadlines and milestones using the calendar view. When you have date fields in your table, it displays the records as events on a calendar. You can use the form view to collect data from your team members or stakeholders. Form view creates a form based on fields in the grid view. You can customize the form to suit your needs either directly in the form or from the Manage Fields option. Once you finalize the form, you can share the form link to people from whom you want to collect the data. All the data from the form submissions will be collected in the grid view. Zoho Tables also comes with multiple customization options. You can sort your records, filter them, or color code the records. The customization options like sort, filter, and color applied to a view are only specific to that view and won't affect any other views. However, any changes made to the data in a view will reflect in all the other views. You can create any number of views in a single table and switch between views in a couple of clicks. Zoho Tables offers view sharing, which lets you share only a selected view to a customer or a team member. Once views are set up, the next step is automating repetitive tasks. Automation works based on a simple trigger and action logic. With automation, you can create new records, send emails, and update data, all automatically based on a trigger. Let's take an example of a content review. Every time a work item is marked as for review, an email will be triggered to the manager. Other than this, automation can also be used to configure automatic record creation and data updates. With that, we've come to the end of the overview. Zoho Tables lets you build custom solutions that suit your requirements, no matter what industry or function you belong to. You can also get started from our pre-built solutions in our template gallery. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please write to us at hello@zohotables.com.